Hey guys, welcome back to another fun craft video.
Today we're making sparkle dough. For this craft you will need flour, salt, vegetable oil, food coloring, and cream of tartar.
In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of salt, and 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Then, with a spoon, mix up all the dry ingredients. In a separate pot, pour 2 cups of water. And add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now, with the help of a grown-up, place the pot on the stove and let the water boil. Once the water is boiling, add your dry ingredients to the hot water. Now you can turn off the stove and begin mixing your ingredients together. After you have fully mixed everything together, your mixture should have a doughy consistency. After letting your dough cool down, you can grab a handful of dough and place it on a board so you can begin to knead it. Once you've done kneading the dough, you should have a smooth ball. Now we'll add the food coloring. First, place the ball of dough in a Ziploc bag. Then you can add about 5 to 7 drops of food coloring. Now zip up the Ziploc bag and you can begin to mix up the dough and the food coloring together. This process could take up to 10 minutes, but you can always add some more food coloring to your dough if you want the color to be a little bit darker. Now we have our colored dough. Now the last step is to add some sparkle to our dough by adding glitter. Here you can add as much glitter as you'd like. Once you've added the glitter, you can begin kneading the dough again to mix all the glitter into the dough. And now our Sparkle Play-Doh is finished. You can repeat the last few steps to create different colored Sparkle Play-Doh.
Now we can have fun with our Sparkle Play-Doh.
Well, we hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. Thanks for watching. Bye.